Alright, we're going to make a real quick video here. If I was to say, this is my stereo, what is wrong with this stereo? You'd be like, nothing, Bob. The volume works.
Good luck with it.
You can select your radio stations. It tells you what is playing. It is a delightful stereo in the 21st century. The problem is all of the Seek stuff here and all of the buttons up top are gone. I started doing this probably 2 or 3 days ago, and I have no idea what's up. So as odd as it looks, it still works. So before I clicked anything to get it to all pop back up, I thought, you know, I will show you guys what it looks like doing this. And it does this after like, I don't know, 10 or 15 seconds of selecting the radio. Okay, so if I was like, navigation, right? So these buttons work, takes me to navigation. Whatever this red thing is. Cell phone, takes me to Apple CarPlay apparently. Did not know that. But you go back here, you're like, wow, look at all the great selection. And then after a few seconds, it'll go, boop, and then it's gone. So I might be having some radio malfunctiononis. I don't know when, why, how. I don't know. You're just driving down the road and boop, all disappears. So I am going to contact my dealer and see what's up, but I thought I'd let you guys know that apparently these 8-inch touchscreens on the Bose systems are going to be having some issues coming up here in the not so near future. So keep an eye on your cars. Let me know. Comment below if you've had it. Did you get the deck replaced or what? The screen's gone blank on me twice. Just driving totally blank. And then probably like 5 seconds later, everything popped back up as normal. Seen this happen on a few Corvettes. Screen goes right blank. You take it in, they put your new stereo deck in the car. This is pretty disappointing, to be honest, but it is what it is. So, that's it for me for now. Reporting in on the bugs and issues as we rapidly approach in on the 2-year mark. What is going to happen? I have no idea.